Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the device and app you'll modify so you don't change the wrong profile. Once done, back up or note current preferences to restore if needed. Next, open your device settings and tap Notifications, or open the app settings if it manages notifications itself. Make sure to grant settings access when asked. These actions get you into the right control panel quickly so you can change channels, sounds, or banners without guessing. You'll now change how notifications behave so they match your attention needs. First, toggle Allow Notifications and pick presentation styles like banners, alerts, or badges. These determine whether notifications pop up or just count. Then set sound, vibration, or LED options and adjust intensity if available so alerts are noticeable but not disruptive. Also configure priority settings. Place the app under Finish by fine-tuning channels, threads, or per contact rules so you only receive what matters. Once set, send a test notification or use app test tools to verify sound, vibration, and visibility. If things go wrong, reset that app's notification settings to defaults and retry. Make sure to restart your device, update the app and OS, and disable Battery Optimizer for the app if alerts fail to appear. These steps resolve most problems and keep your notifications reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.